Living the life with God is a lot like a coach training his people to do a great basketball team on a basketball court. Okay? So you've got your basketball court here, and the basketball court has the out-of-bounds lines around the edges. And outside of those lines, you're not allowed to go. So a fundamental that a very first-year coach would teach his kids is if you step outside of these lines, you're out of bounds and the ball turns over to the other team. That's a bad thing to be doing. If you want to succeed in the game of basketball, you stay inside the basketball court. So the way that parallels with the Bible is that there is a huge amount of things that God has already revealed to us, stuff he's already commanded, and he says, play in bounds, and you'll be able to hear my voice and do my will. If you're stepping out of bounds, it's going to be harder to hear my voice, and you will clearly be not doing what I want you to do. So one of the questions that you should ask yourself at this point is, are there places that I'm playing out of bounds? Are there things that I'm doing in my life that I know are not pleasing to God? And can I eliminate those things? It will be much easier to hear God's voice when you're playing in bounds. Now, once you're in bounds, there's lots of options and there's lots of flexibility that's there. But your first step is to be asking the question, am I obeying what I already know?